Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to obtain your Twitter or X API key, client ID, and client secret. Make sure to watch this video till the end to get all the details. To start, you need a Twitter account. If you already have one, visit developer.twitter.com and sign in using your Twitter credentials. After signing in, you'll be greeted by your developer dashboard, which is the main interface for managing your Twitter API projects. If you already have a project set up, you'll see it listed on your dashboard. If not, you'll need to create a new project. For this tutorial, I'll work with an existing project to demonstrate the process. On your dashboard, locate your project and click on it. Once inside your project, you'll see various details, including the app ID. To proceed, click on the Edit button associated with your project. Inside the Edit settings, navigate to the Keys and Tokens section. Here, you'll find your API key and your secret key. If needed, you can regenerate these keys to create a new set. However, you'll notice that the client ID and client secret are not visible in this section yet. To access them, you need to configure the user authentication settings for your app. Scroll down to the User Authentication Settings section. This setup is required to specify the type of access your application needs. Click on the Setup button. Depending on your project's requirements, you can enable specific permissions like read and write access. For demonstration purposes, I'll enable these permissions and select the native app option. Next, provide the required application information. This includes specifying a callback or redirect URL. This URL is used to redirect users back to your application after they log in and complete the authentication process. If you're unsure of the specific URL to use, you can enter a placeholder like x.com for testing purposes. In a real project, you'll need to input accurate details, including your website, terms of service, and privacy policy URLs. After filling in the necessary details, click Save to apply the changes. Once saved, return to the Keys and Tokens section. You will now see your client ID and client secret displayed alongside the API keys. These credentials are essential for integrating Twitter's API with your application. That's it for this tutorial. You now know how to locate your API key, client ID, and client secret on Twitter's developer platform. Thank you for watching.